Okay, so the purpose of this video is to show you how to change or install a safety valve into the ramp cylinders of a Cobalt trailer. If you load it, put a load on the trailer and the cylinders keep breaking or leaking, this will solve your problem. So here's a mock-up of how the pipes are plumbed. So you'll get one in from your valve bank for up to lift the cylinder, or the bottom port of the cylinder, and you'll have one for down when you are lowering or lowering the cylinder. So what will happen is you're going to basically install this valve over here. It's a crossover relief valve. You get this kit from us. It is pre-installed with all these fittings and preset on the pressures as well. So these two T-pieces, you'll just loosen up the two pipes that comes from the valve bank, obviously with a 19 spanner, and you will install it into the bottom of this valve. So take your other pipe as well, and obviously you tighten it too with the 19 spanner, and then in the front you will have a swivel fitting, which you will take your remaining T-piece, and you will, apologies for covering that, remaining T-piece, and you will screw that in there, and obviously the other one in the next. It will set at a bit of an angle because the T-piece is not lining nicely, but yes, you'll just take a 19 spanner, lock that in place. You can drill two holes through the end of the tailboard, and this joint you'll obviously find just on the inside of the tailboard behind the rear axle, and then that should solve your problem. Alright, thank you.